Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will look at a Throwback Thursday Rusty Tool cleaning project. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. Although at the time video was not recorded, it is a quick project that's worth sharing. Included are a few small hand tools previously used on a farm. The tools were stored for a number of years with a bit of rust on the metal surfaces. The goal of this project was to prepare the tools in order to be used again. Also considered was limiting the amount of surface rust that could come in contact with hands with or without gloves. The process to remove the rust could have been made easier by using vinegar or a rust removal chemical that wasn't available at the time. That being said, consideration was also given to the older wooden handles. It was then decided that a small grinding wheel on a Dremel tool would be used to remove the rust. Once the rust was removed, the tools were coated with oil to help protect and prohibit future surface rust from rapidly expanding. The wooden handles on the tools as well as the wooden toolboxes were also lightly sanded and oil added to help protect the wood. In addition to the tools, there were also a few knives. These knives also had a bit of surface rust, and the rust removal was similar to the process used for the tools. Although these were relatively inexpensive and common tools, the process of cleaning them was interesting. In addition to the cleaning, it was also interesting to see some of the features which are not as common to new hand tools such as wooden handles. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.